So over here you can see that I have a video, and if I were to go around and then press the play button right here, then the video plays in its regular speed right here. And if you want to go around and change out the speed, then you can go around onto the tools option right here, and here you can see that this is the speed. So now what you can do is you can go around over here and click and drag out the value to, let's say for example, 2 times, and the video will be squeezed down because the video speed is changed out to 2 times of the regular speed. So if I were to go around and press the play button right here, then the video plays out faster, as you can see right here. So you can also go around and then access out the speed change option by going around over here onto the inspector tool right here, and you can go around and select this, and over here you can see speed change is turned on right here, just like this. So that is what you have right here. You can go around and choose the direction of the speed, so you can go around and make the speed, let's say forward or go backward as well. And once you do that, here you can see that minus value actually pops up, denoting that the speed is backward, meaning the video will be played backward. You can click and drag right here to actually go around onto the positive value or the negative value, as you can see, just like that. So you can go around and change around the values right here, depending on the frame per speed or speed percentage over here as well. So you can make the video, let's say for example 50% right here or 200%, and the video will be video speed will change out. You can go around and see the duration as well. Depending on the speed that you choose, the duration will change as well. And you can ripple out in timeline and then do pitch correction if there are audio in your video as well. So that is how you can work around with the speed change option inside of Davinci Resolve. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.